wallet, liquidity, tokenization, rainbow bridge. What on earth is all that? I've been into Web3 for like 5 years, so certainly I do know what it's all about, but I have a skill to put myself in a newbie's Web3 outsider's shoes, and when I do, I just do not understand what all these terms are about and why are all these people so excited about something I just do not understand. I have a friend who's also into Web3, and they were making a new website for their company. It was kind of repositioning, and the goal was to make it more clear for their end users. And he's showing me the website, and he's really proud because they've done a great job. And he's like, "Look, is it clear? Do you like it?" And the website says something like, "Drive liquidity across the chains." And I put myself in those newbies' shoes, and I'm like, oh my God, what is driving liquidity across chains? What's that? And I'm trying to guess, and I say something like, well, driving liquidity, is it something about exchanging your money? Is it something like exchange? And he says, well, yes, this is like exchange your money. And I like, but why can't you put it like that from the beginning? And he's like, well, I don't know. And that's what it's all about. For some reason, Web3 people, including myself, are either afraid or too much into this stuff, which stops them from being simple and clear and easy to understand. Wallet is something like your bank account, actually, that you own fully. Liquidity is something about money exchange. Isn't that much simpler? I am sure that mass adoption of Web3 is only possible after we get rid of all that technical jargon and start talking about Web3 as if we were talking about anything else in your everyday life. Guys, let us not make Web3 sound like rocket science. It should be simple.